So the motor is in. On this thing. It's 86. It's not an 86.5, it's an 86. Did you put that exhaust strap in a different place, or is that where it was all the time?
That's where it was.
Was it? Okay. And this bracket was in your stuff? This one?
Yeah. Yeah, it was in one of the bins.
Your bins, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's different on the other years because they don't even have the place to put those bolts.
Oh, you may be right about that.
Because the other engines don't even have the holes.
One thing I noticed about this motor, you put the Volvo mounts in it. So Steve put Volvo mounts in it. Look at how much room there is. Oil pan and the cross member. Every 928 I've seen, you could barely get your fingers in because the motor mounts had collapsed.
Yeah, I'm wondering how high they were originally on the original ones.
I don't know. So we front loaded a lot of this work on this car. As soon as we pulled stuff off, blasted it and primed it, got it looking pretty. A lot of the bolts re-anodized, the pulleys, all that stuff. Which end was bashed in? This one or that one? Remember we bought, I think it was this one. This end we had to buy a new lower, no. Yeah, we bought a new lower control arm from Mark, remember?
Yeah.
And then this thing, remember the bolts were all bashed back in?
Oh, were they?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
And you bought a new one. Remember you got a new one
Yeah.
from 928 International? Yep. Yep. A lot of 928s take collisions, smashing curbs, or just stuff. You know, the motor drops down and all these lower control arms get hit, they get smashed, they bend back. Should be a 15 mil or 16, maybe no, 17 mil. Ugh. So it's coming together.